Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to turn green messages to blue messages. With this tutorial, you're going to be able to differentiate the two colors. So, let's go to settings and then find iMessage or messages. Tap on that and go to this switch right here. All you have to do is make sure that you have that on for it to turn to green. And also, another trick that you have or need to do is go down here. At the top, you have to scroll down from here and then make sure you have Wi-Fi on and that you're connected to a Wi-Fi, so it turns to blue, because green messages take up all the load or data that you have, and blue messages use Wi-Fi and it doesn't take up the load that you have on your phone. It's simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.